For investment purposes, which is better, land or house and lot? If you're paying in cash, it doesn't really matter kung lot or house and lot. But if you're getting a home loan, magkakaroon ka ng monthly amortization, consider mo na yung house and lot for multiple reasons. One is meron kang rent na pagkukuhanan ng pangbayad sa monthly amortization. So nagiging self-liquidating asset siya kasi meron kang bahay or property na pwede mong parento. Nababawasan yung loan mo kahit yung pinangbabayad mo sa monthly amortization is nanggagaling sa rent. Second is capital appreciation. Mas mabilis mag-appreciate normally ang isang house and lot project compared to a lot-only project. Doon kasi sa mga subdivision na nag-o-offer ng lot, minsan yung mga buyers, bibili lang ng lot pero hindi naman nila tatayuan ng property. Compared doon sa house and lot, lahat ng subdivision na yun, matatayuan ka agad ng bahay. So, mas mabilis tumaas yung presyo kapag house and lot kumpara sa lot lang, may makukuha ka pang monthly. Again, if you're paying cash, pwede kahit alin. But, if you're getting a home loan, better para sa akin na bumili ng house and lot. Agree ka ba? Feel free to leave a comment below.